It's your girl StaceNthePlace, and we are back at it again. Yeah, you guys like Petal Parade? We're back at it again with Petal Parade in this video. So Petal Parade starts off with neroli petals, orange flower, and white woods. Now this one, it's flower power, but it's got this powderiness that I like. I don't know, it made me do a double take because y'all know I'm not a huge flower gal, but it was just something about this one. Now, I would say that this kind of puts me in the mind of, well, like, I have on this little cute little pink dress, but it just makes me think of, like, you know, those moments when you just want to feel pretty and feel like you kind of have like a little crown of flowers around and you're just, you know, living your best little life. And for some reason, it just screams the color pink to me as far as the vibes. I think that this one will definitely be a easy pickup for people who love sweet floral scents for sure. And I also think the younger crowd will definitely be into this one as well. So for comparison's sake, this one, okay, so some people have been saying that it reminds them of Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. I can see where they get that from. I'm thinking it's more so the orange flower and the orange blossom in this one. Like the orange flower power, like the deck on orange flower takes over in Petal Parade. However, in Love Don't Be Shy, there's that marshmallow note that is super, super sweet. You just can't get away from it. I would say that if you do enjoy this one and you're open to something a little bit more floral, then you will enjoy Petal Parade for sure. But Petal Parade is not going to give you that sweet marshmallow, almost sickening, sweet gourmand kind of vibe that Love Don't Be Shy gives you. Also, I thought it could be kind of similar to Replica's Flower Market. However, this one is just, it's very flower power. I didn't really get any of the orange flower, and the orange flower is just, is so intense in this that I was like, okay. And then the last one from my collection that I thought about could maybe be Lancome Idole. It's kind of getting there, but it's just not there. It's just another light, nice florally scent. But are they, I mean, they might be cousins twice removed, something like that, you know? Like, they come to the family reunion every now and then, but if you ask them out in the streets if they know them, then I don't know. It depends on the day what answer you're going to get. Now, one that it has been compared to that I'm starting to believe it, but I personally don't know. So Prada Paradoxe is one that a lot of people have been saying that it smells very similar to. And we chatted with our friend Philly Girl 31, and I was asking her 21 questions all about Prada Paradoxe because she actually has that scent and loves it and enjoys it. And so she was telling me, you know, kind of giving me the vibes of what she thought. And I was asking her because with this, it's like after you spray it with the dry down, it has that orange flower and a little bit of like a powderiness, very similar to the powderiness that's in Chasing Fireflies. And so I was like, girl, give me the deets. Like, does it have the powderiness and stuff? I don't know. For what she was telling me, I'm starting to think that this, it just might be. I can't confirm because I personally don't have Prada Paradoxe. But I am curious and can't wait for someone to have a video showcasing them comparing Petal Parade and Prada Paradoxe. I swear, y'all, all these myths with all these words and all, like, it's just so many words and they're all just running together at this point. But moral of the story, would I recommend this one? If you are into florals and you're into sweet florals, I think you will enjoy this one. It has a powderiness to it, but it's not too much. If you enjoy Chasing Fireflies, if you enjoy Love Don't Be Shy, and you know, you're afraid of a little bit of floral and you really enjoy orange flower or orange flower blossom, I think this one's a winner. I think this one's a winner. And even if you're not a huge floral person, I would suggest that you smell it in store just to see how you feel if you already have purchased Chasing Fireflies or Love Don't Be Shy and you enjoy those two. I would encourage you to at least just give it a smell just to see if it could be a contender. I wouldn't necessarily say jump for it and blind buy, but I would try it in store. Play it safe. But with that, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Make sure you take a hot second to subscribe below so you will know about the next review that hopefully will be popping out soon. And with that, we will catch you in the next one. Bye.